Okay, I'm at the Gobblers Knob Lookout. Looking out over this, we got Mount Wow right in front of us. One of these days, I hope to get up that. Believe over there, that is Mount Belchica. That's a fun one to go over and do. Right there. Goat Lake below us. Looking off this way, we have Glacier View. That's the Glacier View trail where it comes out at, right over there. And all the way over here, that is Puyallup Point. And of course, Rainier. Excellent view out here. Lake George over there. Not sure what lake that is down there. I have to look on the map here. Boys down there.